Hi everyone, this is just a quick video for Module 8. This is our last module for the semester. It's also a short module, so keep in mind that this is due on Friday and not a Sunday. The reason it's due on Friday is because that is the end of the semester, and also because the grades are due the following Monday, so I wouldn't have any time to grade if it wasn't due on Friday. So just kind of keep that in mind. You'll want to start on this module earlier. There is no extension allowed for any of the assignments in this unit because of that grading deadline. So just kind of keep that in mind. I want to go through, there's only 2 assignments, so it's pretty simple, mostly review and a little bit of reflection. So you can go through the overview and the to-do list. The review readings that you'll do are all of the grammar and punctuation chapters that you read in order to complete all of the grammar and punctuation quizzes that you took. And so basically this quiz here, which is worth a little bit more, it's 30 points instead of the 20 points, and they are 1-point questions as opposed to 2-point questions. They pull from all of those quizzes that you've taken all semester. So you can take this as many times as you want to, but you're going to be getting new questions each time, and it's really just to see whether or not you are getting anything out of the class as far as the understanding of grammar rules and things like that is concerned, because that's a portion of the class, so it's important. So I would prepare yourself a little bit, kind of go back over those chapters at the end of the book and look through, make sure that you're understanding the rules. If you need to look up anything, if you need to email me and ask me about anything, that's fine. The second thing that you're going to do in this unit is the final reflection essay. So this is another essay, but it's not like the process essay, which we spent 3 modules really building up. This essay I'm not grading like I have your other writing assignments necessarily. I really am just looking for a reflection on the semester. So as long as you're meeting the requirements and you're answering the questions, you should get full points on it. So reflection, obviously important part of any writing class. And so this particular assignment, you're going to you're going to write a 5-paragraph essay, or at least 3 paragraphs. Most students get kind of a little introduction and then 1, 2, or 3 body paragraphs and then the conclusion. Depending on how long it takes you to answer these questions. The questions are just about the semester and your performance in the class. So what did you learn, biggest accomplishment, what's something you would prefer to have done differently, which major writing assignment was your favorite, what's your biggest takeaway, that kind of thing. And so basically this just allows you to reflect on what you did this semester and prepare for hopefully taking Comp 1 next semester or the semester after. I really highly recommend, if you can, taking Comp 1 in the fall, because and just doing it right after this class is supposed to prepare you for that class. So if you don't take it right away, then you're really doing yourself a disservice. It's 50-point essay, so it's a little bit less than some of our other assignments, but it does allow you to get one last writing in, and then mostly about reflection. So when I grade this one, I'm really just looking for, did you answer the questions? Is it readable? Did you format it? That kind of thing. And if it's something that I absolutely cannot understand what you're writing because your grammar is so horrible or your capitalization is so horrible or you have no punctuation, then obviously I'm going to dock points for that. But otherwise, if you're doing the assignment, you'll get your points for it. And the last thing in here is the end of course survey. The end of course survey is the exact same as the midpoint survey, but it is for the end of the class. So basically anything from the midpoint forward, if you have any comments on the class, anything you would like to see changed about the class, I do read those, the comments that you write in. Those are the most helpful for me. I appreciate any feedback that you can give me on the class, what you liked and didn't like, that kind of thing. And then I'll give you 5 points extra credit for doing that. So something that you can kind of boost your grade with just a tiny bit there at the end. I will say that there's a lot of students who get borderline grades right at the end. They're right in between 2 letter grades, and something like a survey that just won't take you any time, give you a little 5-point boost and may push you over the over the limit so that you can get the higher letter grade. So keep that in mind. Again, this is a short unit. Make sure that you're getting started right away so that you have plenty of time to finish those 2 assignments. Email me if you have any questions. Email me if you have any concerns about the class. And this is the end. So this is the last video that I will make. I had a great summer. I hope you did too. And good luck. Hopefully you will do well in your classes next semester if you're taking more. If not, have the great rest of your summer.